Hey guys, it's Valerie Everton here today. As you can see, this is another karaoke song. If you check out my other channel, Valerie Holly, I already have it down. The first one was Story of My Life. Today we're doing 1,000 Years by Christina Perri. Let's do this after I use the bathroom. Okay guys, I'm back after using the bathroom after a brainstorm. But on our last episode, Audrey was our guest. Today we might have another guest. His name is Trevor. If he would like to join us and stop playing with farts. Anyway, today's video is 1,000 Years by Christina Perri. She's one of my favorite artists, especially, like, you know. Well, the subscriber that you need to subscribe to is Sierra Fun. So let's welcome our guest. Audrey, come on, you're our guest. Come on. So this is Audrey. And if Trevor would like to join us in the middle of the video, he can. But yeah, let's start this. 1,000 Years by Christina Perri.
Anytime you want to.
Let's turn it up for you guys. What? Sorry about that situation, guys. There's going to be a lot of rain in the background. As you can see, it's raining. So yeah. Get this started. Oh, come on, Audrey. I guess it's on her. Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. Was it closer? I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I'll love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still. Beauty, I know she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything. Guys, sorry, that was Trevor trying to get into. Once again, he's playing with some farts. Let's try this again. Brave. I will not let anything take away. What's standing in front of me? Every breath, every hour comes to this. One step closer. I have Yeah, thank you guys for joining us with the video. Here we have Audrey, smile. Trevor, he's not smiling. And then Alex, who barges in. So don't forget to check out their channel, www.karafun.com. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Please comment. I just want comments. I like reading. Bye.